Dolphins are the smartest animals. Dolphins are so smart. Like, I read that, like, dolphins, the brains, they are as big, like, they have the same size. They have even bigger brains than humans. They are basically as smart as people. Like, the dolphins could actually have, like, a civilization, a culture, just like we do. They have the brain for it. They could have it, but they don't. And the reason is not the brain. The reason is that they don't have hands. So they can't really do anything. They can't build anything. They can't, like, they can just swim around, but they can think. So I think they must be pretty upset. Like, hey everybody, I have a great idea for a novel. But can't hold a pen, can't use a typewriter, and the paper is all wet.